doing right now. Stop what you're doing right now, because I know what we're going to do today. You clicked on the video, you know exactly what's going on. It's a fucking Wii. You want to 3D print a Wii? Well, I got the video for you, babe. First, you need to have a Wii. If you don't have a Wii, why are you even here, man? You need to have a Wii to look at the blueprints and everything. Just look at this beauty right here. Look at it. Pure 2008 vibes. You know how it is. Great Wii. Then, what do you need? Measuring tape. You know. Or you can get a Taylor's measuring tape as well. These are very useful. You can turn it and shit. You know how it is. It is very useful for this type of project. Finally, you know what you need. You know what you need. A fucking calculator. Because we're going to do some geometry in this bitch. You need geometry to find those angles, baby. If you don't know those angles, it's going to turn out really weird. Take those measurements and put it on a fucking piece of paper, baby. You know how it is. Don't mind the Minecraft, but you need to get this kind of layout. You know how it is. Preferably in millimeters, because if you do it in inches, you're gonna be fucked over for the CAD design. You know how it is. Goddamn triangles, you know how it is. You need to know those angles. Those are what you need for geometry. Or you could just take a screenshot of this and go from there. But not least, sorry about the mess, but we need a 3D printer. Why are you on this video if you don't have a 3D printer? I'm literally telling you how to make one of those Wiis. If you want to watch me, that's cool. But yeah, you need one of these. Finally, you need to have the Autodesk Fusion 360. It is very useful. I mean, this is how you make your 3D prints and everything. So if you don't have this, you should get it. It's actually free if you get the personal use one, because I don't know, they make enough money for the commercial use. So if you use it personally, then it'll be free. All you need to know in this thing is to make lines. All you need to know. Boom, 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 boom. All you need to know for that is to make lines. And finally, where's the extrude button? You need to extrude it. You press that, boom, solid, boom, extrude. That is basically how you finish it. And yeah, it's good. That is basically how you make a Wii. Nah, anything in a 3D SolidWorks. You just need to make lines and then make it extrude like that. That's all you need to know. And there we have your Wii now. After you're done figuring out how to use the Autodesk 360, it gets really easy. It took about an hour to make this. It's not the best work that I've seen people do, but it's good for the first time. But yeah, it's really nice. You see that little disc at the bottom? I didn't get that for some reason when I printed it out, because I guess I indented it instantly, instead of actually extruding it from the Wii. So once you're done with your print, you go into your slicing software and have to figure out exactly where you want to put it. Because it's kind of hard to figure out where there won't be any overhangs that'll fuck up the Wii or the design. So I figured out putting it upside down would be the best way. And yeah, you need to make sure this is actually perfect, because if you don't, you're gonna mess up your whole 3D printing. Once you're done with your slice, you go to your wall of elephants right here. You gotta figure out which product you want to use. Something that looks somewhat similar to the Wii. Let's see. So I don't think any of these colored ones would look that same. Maybe these two white ones, and maybe the wood one. I'll put it down here. Nah, I'll put it up here. So it looks like maybe this one would probably be the best for it. Because this one's a bit shinier and the Wii's shiny as well, so I think I'll use this one. Once you figure out the filament, you go to here, put in the filament that you want. I didn't put it in yet, but then you turn it on. Turn on that nice beauty of a 3D printer. Cool it up or heat it up. Put in the SD slot, and you're all good for it. You know. After like a few hours, you got the finished product, baby. Got the nice Wii. Ooh, look at that. It's beautiful. Hey, yo, check it out. I got that pro streamer type LEDs, you know? Alright, so this is the final product, if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. It has that little like indent right here. I don't know how to fix that. But I think it turned out pretty good. Shoot. The exterior with the like little lights or the buttons at the front looks really nice. I like that. There's like a little indent where the CD went into. In total, I think it looks pretty good. Like here's a side comparison of these things. I think I got the angle correct somewhat. The only thing I didn't get was this like indent right here. If you can see, yeah, there's a little indent right here that I did not get, but that is how I remembered the Wii. No indent, just a plain side in the front. But I don't think that really matters to me, because I think I just built this for nostalgia purposes rather than just making it 100% accurate, because I remembered it like a whole square in the front rather than just a curved piece in the front. So I like how it turned out, because nostalgia and just remembering how the Wii was back then. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and stuff if you want to. But have a nice day or have a nice week, whatever. I'll try to upload more frequently. But yeah, I'll see you later. Peace.